there are no secrets to success. It is the result of hard work, preparation, and learning from failure. Good morning, respected director, sir, respected senior headmistress, ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Aditya Goyal, and my friend Akshita Agarwal have received this marvelous opportunity to conduct the morning assembly on behalf of our class 12A3.
Good morning, everyone. A positive thought is about maintaining that optimistic mindset and attitude. A positive quote can uplift the mood and brighten the day. So, we have Yaja Smago to present Thought of the Day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is, before comparing yourself with others, win the battle with yourself. Strive to be better today than yesterday and better tomorrow than today. I repeat, before comparing yourself with others, win the battle with yourself. Strive to be better today than yesterday and better tomorrow than today. Thank you.
Thank you, Yajas, for this beautiful quote. Staying aware about the current happenings is really very important. So, to brief us all about the current news, we have our reporters. Jatin for national news, Bismanpreet for international news, Keshav for sports news, and Siddharth for campus and weather report.
Good morning to one and all present here. The national news for the day is Indian Army tank regiments prepared for operation in high altitudes of Eastern Ladakh. High Court asked National Highway Authority of India to submit survey of overcutting of 25,000 trees. Anurag Thakur promises Neeraj and Sindhu upon their arrival to the capital. State government of Haryana announced a cash prize of ₹6 crore for the men's javelin throw gold medalist. Thank you.
Good morning. The international news for today is Australian researchers discovered a potentially life-saving treatment for heart attacks inside protein of a deadly spider venom. Nagasaki on Monday marks 76th anniversary of US atomic bombing of the Japanese city. NASA helps firefighters by sending pics from International Space Station to show key spots of moving wildfires. Australia expands COVID lockdown over concern virus has spread from Sydney. Thank you.
Good morning. The sports news for today is Japan's PM thanks people for a safe Olympics. Shubhankar Sharma lands 2 eagles on back at Hero Open, finishes creditable tied 16th. Barca fans devastated at Messi exit. PSG fans waiting for a legend. Frenzy, chaos as Indian Olympic contingent returns from Tokyo. Indian football teams camp to return to Kolkata after 15 years.
Good morning, everyone. The campus news for today is Indraprastha has always rejoiced in the achievements of its learners. Once again, it is a proud moment for all of us as we share with you the spectacular and impressive Class 10 CBSE result 2021. Shubhra Sahu, Vansh Dhar, and Mehak Chopra have rewritten and redefined the rules of success as they share the top position with 99.8% each. Ansh Satija came a close second with 99.6% and Riya Kapoor finished at 98.8%. Carrying the legacy of their seniors and their predecessors forward, children scored a perfect 100 out of 100 in English, Sanskrit, German, French, mathematics, Hindi, science, social science, and information technology. The number of students who have scored a perfect 100 is 46, an Olympian success. Heartiest congratulations to all of the achievers. Thank you.
Thank you, reporters, for updating us with the news. Mahatma Gandhi played an important role in the Indian independence struggle. One of the most crucial steps was the Quit India movement, also known as August Kranti, on 8 August 1942. It was a movement launched to demand the end of British rule in India. Now we have Janvi Upal elucidating us about this historic event.
Hello, good morning to one and all present here. I am Janvi Upal of 12th A3. Now I would like to take you through Quit India movement visually. The Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942 in protest against sending Indian troops to fight in World War II and demanding the immediate independence of India from the British. The Quit India movement was endorsed after talks between Congress and the British had failed. Indians were urged to act as an independent nation and not follow orders of the British. Gandhiji and other senior Congress leaders were imprisoned. Mass protests broke out all over the country, which were followed by bomb attacks, sabotage, and violence. The Muslim League declared its support for the British and by doing so were able to spread the message of Islam free. The British responded to the protest by stating mass arrests, implementing heavy fines and airdropping of bombs. The rebel movement, which had resorted to violence to gain independence, was now working against Gandhiji's principles of non-violence. This left the movement leaderless and fizzled out over the next year. In 1946, the Royal Indian Navy called a strike and the Indian sailors too mutinied. The strike spread and the Indian population supported it. Soon the Air Force and the local police joined it. There were more riots and revolts. Thank you.
Thank you, Jani, for educating us. Japan marked the 76th anniversary of the first atomic bombing in Nagasaki on 9th August 1945. The bombing killed approximately 226,000 people. Now we have Navya Arora, Nandini Sahani, and Manya Bhatia presenting a talk show about this tragic event that took place.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Nandini Sahni, and today we all have gathered here to talk about the Nagasaki Day, the day which shook the entire Japan. To know more about this day, we have with us Devansh and Navya. So, as you all know, that United States detonated 2 nuclear weapons on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These 2 bombings caused massive destruction and killed various peoples, among most of them who were civilians. So, Navya, can you tell us about the main cause of this event?
Sure, Nandini. On September 1, 1939, Hitler invaded Poland from the west. 2 days later, France and Britain declared war on Germany, and this is how the World War II began. By the end of the World War II, the Americans prepared for a costly invasion of the Japanese mainland. The undertaking was preceded by a conventional and firebombing campaign that devastated 63 Japanese cities.
Yes, that firebombing caused massive destruction. According to the Quebec Agreement, the orders of which were issued on 25th July, the orders were issued to drop the weapons on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima, Kokura, Nagara, and Nagasaki. And these cities were chosen as the targets because these were large urban areas which also held military significant facilities.
On 6th August, a little boy was dropped on Hiroshima, and 3 days later, a fat man was dropped on Nagasaki. By July 1945, the Allies' Manhattan Project has proceeded 2 types of atomic bombs: a little boy, a plutonium bomb, and fat man, a uranium bomb.
The Manhattan Project was a research and development undertaking during the World War II that produced the first 2 nuclear bombs. It was led by the United States with the support of the United Kingdom and Canada.
Japan surrendered on Allies on 15th August, 6 days after the Soviet Union declaration of war and the bombing of Nagasaki. The Japanese government signed the instrument of surrender on 2nd September, effectively ending the war.
By the end of 1945, the bombing had killed an estimated 140,000 people in Hiroshima and further 94,000 in Nagasaki, and burnt about 70% of all buildings.
In the year that followed, many of the survivors would face cancer and other terrible side effects from the radiations.
Nagasaki Day brought massive destruction and trouble in the lives of people of Japan that till date they are suffering. So thank you, Navya and Devansh, for joining us and sharing with us various facts and information about the Nagasaki. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Navya and Nandini, for such an informative presentation. The youth is the pillar of the country on which its entire development is based. But today's youth face numerous problems. Their voice goes unheard. So, To reflect upon this issue, we have Tamanna to recite a poem on youth and their hardships.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Tamanna, is going to recite a poem on the topic, the problems faced by the youth of today. There is a truth we don't think about when we're young. It's just too easy to ignore. How youth will win the early battles in life, but age will eventually win the war. Sometimes in life, it's hard to tell what we should do or should not do. Just because my friends do something, does that mean I should do it too? I want so much to be accepted. I want so bad to fit in. Should I join and follow the crowd? Although it might be a sin, the cycle it goes, my despair like a day. It slowly fades away. Just as the sun sets, so does my hope, leaving darkness to cover me like a thick wool cloak. I learn from my mistakes, from the wrong turns I take, from the fake friends I make, and from the times I almost break. Incredible urges to get away, not caring what people say. They say it's a disease. Every second I'm in need. Without it, I freeze. Realize the power of internet. Nothing can stop me from leaving it. I need to avoid this suffocation. I know this is my depraved condition. This is my internet addiction. I look in the mirror and what do I see? I see the me I don't want to be. I am abnormal. I'm not pretty. My hair, my face, my personality. My size, my shape, the color of my skin. All for someone else but not as an ambition to get desired occupation. The only path is education that leads to our destination. As a child, I was carefree. When I grew up, dreamt of rupee. Situation is like a hiveless bee, pleading for job, bending my knee. I am today's youth. I've been silenced. I have to raise my voice for the time has come. I am the hope of change and the time has come to engage. Hey youth, you have the potential. Solution for all problems come with a solution. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for presenting such a touching poem. Indeed, music can brighten any morning. Now we have got Talya portraying their thoughts through a musical performance.
सपने हम बांधे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर नाल समंदरांदे असी ऐठे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कम हमको तोल असी जिद तेड़े जनूनी भरे ए दिल के ना बोल सो ख्वाहिशा एक मैं पूरी करा एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सो ख्वाहिशा मुश्किल हमें रोके ना रात है गजले वाली दूर बड़ी दिवाली दीवे ढूंढे अखियां दिवाले घोंसले में पंछी बना के यारो उम्मीदों से भर लिया मैंने हारना नहीं है जाए कुछ भी करे दुनिया के जिंदड़ी मेरी सो ख्वाहिशा एक मैं पूरी करा एक जिंदड़ी मेरी सो ख्वाहिशा मुश्किल हमें रोके
That was such a mesmerizing performance. Thank you all for being such a patient and wonderful audience. Hope you all enjoyed the set. Special thanks to Director Sir for mentoring and guiding all of us. Without you, sir, it would not have been possible. Thank you all. Have a great day ahead.